When my friend is asleep, it's good time to prank. Simply take a stick, thread under the armrest. Now do it your own way. Stop, Sprite! Surely I'll take the revenge! Something is wrong. Pie! You die in my hands. It turned out that the mastermind of the not-so-hygienic trick is Pie. Surely to take the revenge on the fall the other day. This is a bit too much. Men after marriage are often controlled by their wives, which makes it almost impossible for husbands to gather with friends. So the husband's having secret fun is not too surprising. But diamond cuts diamond. No matter how hidden it is, cannot get out of the wife's eyesight. Huh, dare to hide the black font? Good. Oh, my stomach. Help me! Help! If you want to prank your friend, then learn from Sprite. Just need a mannequin head. Put it in the toilet. Surely your friends will be scared to death. If you want to eat, you have to work. Drink some salt water. Oh, why don't you shake? Shake it, shake it. The drink for my beloved brother is here. It seems that we've already guessed the result before Pie, right? Surely I'll take the revenge. So bored. I have to find something new to play. Oh no! Bring the mouse here. I'll fix it for you. Luckily I did it. Hey, try to see if it's okay or not. I'm leaving. Hey, stand there. Can you help me? What are you up to? Help me take a good photo. Thought you wanted to confess to me. Suddenly I want to cry. Nice, let's go. Hey, wait for me. Let's see my power. Not that easy. What's that? I have to try again. So annoying! Who dares to hinder me? You deserve it. Don't try to disturb me anymore.